Francesco Falbo, Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions, Director of Business Development. So Roush Yates, we're a contract manufacturer of precision machine components, less than an inch, up to 3 feet. And what we specialize in is our unique ability to be vertically integrated with special processes that we are able to support in-house. My goal is to grow the business, capturing new business and new business development in the major markets that we serve, which are space, aerospace, defense, as well as medical. So what differentiates Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions from our other competitors is that we have the unique capabilities to do post-processing in-house, and we have the pedigree, certifications to do very tight tolerance work. So what's great about working at Roush Yates is the key personnel that we interface with every day, the ability to think out of the box and the ability to really meet and exceed our customers' expectations, specifically meeting the challenges of the day-to-day. A major win for us, and it jazzes me, is going into a new customer, winning some new opportunities, and then taking that and parlaying it into other production roles and other opportunities within the customers and building those strong relationships. What's really important to our customers, quality and delivery on time performance is very key, and that helps me to build a trust and relationships that lead to the next opportunities. And so that's what's exciting about getting those win-wins and building upon those.